Good afternoon, Bob. Trade Genius here. It's the 21st of February. And, you know, I I think there's robots on a mission here, but looking at the aftermarket here, maybe we're going to get a little break in the action. It's just unbelievable. I'm only going to show you a couple charts today because really everything else is going to be meaningless against it. You have SPY today that just shot up again and now to almost 11% in 13 weeks. And if you don't count this little blip on Thursday, you have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, pretty much straight up days here, in the market. And the we're now uh, over 5%, 7% almost away from VWAP from a deviation standpoint. It's just out of control. And you can say, okay, hey, we're in a bull market. Then why is TLT getting a bid now? Okay, and gold should be down, right? No, gold was up today. And then you say, well, but surely they got rid of volatility today, right? No, volatility rose today too. And so you have all the funding sources going opposite of the market. I think the only thing that probably went their way, which probably caused the initial blast, was you had the yen, and that dojied here. So we'll see what happens there. And and the rest of the market is saying, whoa, I better get some protection here. And if you think about it, I mean, in the next 3 weeks, we're going to have the debt ceiling, Fed meeting, Dutch elections, French elections, in a market that's already up almost 35% in 1 year, and it's up almost 11% in 2.5 or 3 months. And so I think it's a bit stretched. And if you look at this one here, this is amazing to me. You look at XLK up almost 3 straight weeks. And, earnings aren't that great. In fact, earnings are projected to be down 1%. So, the only thing I can conclude to this is that this is just front running to get the heck out of Dodge here before the Fed raises rates again, and just to get out of the markets before a lot of pretty crazy things are happening. And you can't even count what's going on with the weather. I mean, California, the Sacramento Delta could literally expand, 100 miles on either side. I mean, this is prime farmland that's going to be taken out of production. I mean, California is the farm capital of the country in terms of the products they produce. And so, talk about a wall of worry. This is like climbing up a cliff of worry right now. And I just think they're just algos are on hunts, and they have unlimited funds, and they're taking everybody out that just can't stay with them and have the patience to stay with them. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I just didn't put any trades on today because I just don't know what's going to reverse next. So I can kind of watch and see. And when the market popped and then double topped and then sold back down, if we start getting some normalcy in the market, go back to SPY here for a minute, put a little closer in chart, like a 15-minute chart here. you know, we should probably be looking to get down below 230 again to get any sort of normalcy. I mean, this move here I think is the contrived move, and I mean it just burst up, and and so I could definitely see 229 or 220, yeah, 229 our future here pretty quickly. But anyway, we'll just wait and see. This market has betwixt me, so has me literally scrambling every day, just in amazement that it's just so one way. This is Bob from Trade Genius. I'll catch you later, and say hello to your favorite trading robot. Bye.